Hey, Katie here from Simply Earth. Happy November and happy holidays. So excited for Thanksgiving. One of my favorite things I always look forward to is sweet potatoes with the pecans on it. So good. Hope you have a Thanksgiving you get to look forward to. Which brings us right into our monthly box. This month's theme is Thanksgiving. Let me tell you about it. This month's box comes with 4 full-size essential oils, 6 different recipes, plus the ingredients you need to make them. All for $39. In this month's box, we're gonna get Acre Leaf. It's a blend that it gives a warming effect and it helps ease joint and muscle pain. Lemon Eucalyptus has some great disinfecting qualities. Wintergreen is a minty smell that's great for preparing for the holidays. And Pine Scotch, another good one for the holidays. Smells like a Christmas tree. In this month's box, we have activated charcoal, and a couple of our recipes feature activated charcoal. Activated charcoal is a substance high in carbon, like a coconut shell, cooked at really high temperature so that it loses all its bonds, and so it wants to attach to things. And we're gonna use it as a toothpaste and as an exfoliant for our skin. Another one of my favorite recipes is our ornament diffuser. You're gonna get a really cute wooden ornament that we're gonna add essential oils to add to your holiday decoration. Another recipe featured in this month's box is our holiday room spray. This room spray smells like Christmas and it is a disinfectant. So head to simplyearth.com to celebrate your Thanksgiving naturally. Check out our other recipes and more about this month's box. And if you subscribe today, we will send you a big bonus box, all for $39. Happy holidays, see you in December.